We're all excited to see how this match is going to turn out.
Wow! Judith Abil delivers her duties as a player para kay Coach Ricky Marcos and the Suffragettes. Gendrauli, yes!
Kanina si Judith Abil came out with a bang. Ito rin si Gendrauli din. Coming out with a bang.
So a 2-point run. Tubog with a nice pass. Ito si Bejek will try again. Nokon with a nice dig. Abil. Another good pass. And Yuboko with a 1-2 play.
Yeah, Yuboko before kasi hitter to eh. And then now, ano siya, setter for the judiciary. And, you know, she's very keen in the attacks. Kaya pag nakuha niya yung on-2.
Down the line, inangat ni Boras. Bejek again, yes!
Yun, mas malakas now, you know.
But despite that, sabi nga ni Chiki kanina, they're a very lively bunch as always. Off-speed hit by Abil. And it's a 2-point run for the Suffragettes to lead by 4.
Si Judith Abil kasi has a wide range in her arsenal. Pwede siyang soft hit, rolled shots, and pwede rin siyang hard hits. And that one was a rolled shot.
Again, Lerma Tubog, Yuboko hinabon yung bola after serving for the second touch. Boras with a hit. And there it is. The game is tied off a pass to the net na hindi naangat ni Yumang.
Oh, kasi yung mga first balls masyadong dikit para kay Yumang na nahihirapan siyang buhayin yung bola. Ayan, no? Lagi kasing napupunta sa may net.
Abil. Yumang. Judith Abil will catch the line. Yep.
So pinapakita sa atin ni Abil, hindi lang siya pang slow balls, pati pang fast balls. Look at that hit. What an angle the hit to zone 5.
Samantalang si Coach Marcos and the Suffragettes, they have 2 timeouts remaining. Abil! Patuloy ang pag-una ng puntos para sa Suffragettes. 1-2 play para kay Yuboko. That toss way outside para kay Gendrauli.
Again, you gotta love the energy.
Abil will try to put it away. And yes, she will be able to.
And that's it.
Abil in double digits with 10 points. Only player in double digits for both teams. And a comfortable first set win after that shot by Judith Abil para sa Comelec Suffragettes.
Contact.
Good pass, Yumang. Gendrauli. Inangat ni Boras. Pesebre will set it to Angeles. And Lapit with the pass. Gendrauli, nice tip.
Good coverage.
Verhel. Angeles, yes!
Sila din, di ba? Judiciary, kaya din namin yun. Look at this good dig there by Verhel. Yeah.
Justice servers. Gendrauli finally stops the run ng Justice servers.
Again, si Gendrauli, no, targeting this hard angle between zones 4 and 5.
Gendrauli.
Oh! May halong gigil yung palo ni Gendrauli.
Alcanza iaangat. And there is Pesebre with the point as we check in again with Tiffany Fran. Block by Lerma Tubog. Abil, second try sa push. Inangat ni Angeles. Alcanza on a 1-2 play.
Nice set.
Gendrauli mula sa likod. One-handed dig para kay Pesebre is no good.
Good communication between Abil and Gendrauli. Kasi nakuha ni Abil yung bola, so tinignan na niya si Gendrauli. And there goes that hit. It's very difficult really to get the hits.
Yumang. Verhel with the up. Here comes Tubog. Abil again. This time it's on the line on a cross court.
Ganda ng pagkalihis.
Serving 12-14. Gendrauli diving for it. Manlapit, tinawid ang bola. Chance to score. Boras. Yes!
Galing ng mata ni Boras. Wala pa sa posisyon si Gendrauli. Binalik na niya yung bola. That's why she was able to find the floor easily.
So no runs para sa Suffragettes. The lead is back.
Verhel serves, nihihirapan ang Comelec.
Finally, Gendrauli with a side out.
There's that hit by Gendrauli. The blockers were there, but she was able to find a gap in between the blocks.
Lamang na ang Suffragettes by 1. Their first lead of set number 2.
Good save.
Yumang. Abil.
Nice! What a hit by Abil. Kita mo rin yung kamay niya. She was on top of that ball. Great arm swing, great leap, and a great hit.
Pinuntos ng Justice servers. Here's another opportunity to put it away. Abil. Off speed. Got it! Will serve us to start set number 3. Tanagan is in the game for the first time para sa Suffragettes.
Pesebre kanina.
At to Pesebre. De Los Santos pops it up. Tanagan with the underhand pass. Angeles. Inangat ni Razos. Tanagan to De Los Santos with the tip. Yuboko saves it. Angeles ulit. Oh, and she finds the middle.
You know, Angeles was in the wrong position. She didn't know how to adjust. Look at that. Ang daming shuffle ng feet. But she was able to find that zone sa zone 6. Open play.
Santos will get the ball across the net. And Lerma Tubog scores. Tatawid ni Yuboko. Right now, that's all the Justice servers are doing. Tinatawid lang nila because they're expecting errors from the Suffragettes. And Santos with the up. Manlapit with a hit. Pesebre. De Los Santos. Another hit outside. 4 errors and no points para kay De Los Santos. Yumang, the up. Tanagan with the tip. Tubog to Yuboko. Down the line. Tanagan. Lerma Tubog finds the opening and scores again. The lead is 6 para sa Justice servers.
Alam mo na gusto ni Tubog dalhin doon yung bola kasi kita mo kung paano niya tiningnan that zone between 4 and 5 tapos kung paano niya kinontrol yung bola. Kita mo sa galaw ng kamay niya.
Underhand, Tanagan na atake ulit. There's a push and a point.
Finally, Tanagan going, winning that point for her team kanina kasi pag malakas yung tira niya na net. So this time, she tips that ball over and finds the floor.
Honorable Mendoza some of his key players para makabalik in this set number 3 because it looks like they might drop this set. And they will have to go 4 or 5 if Judiciary wins set number 4 as well. Short pass mula kay De Los Santos. Nice hit mula kay Castillo. The libero, De Los Santos. Overpass here. Oh, yes!
Wow.
Reso, an overpass. There's an ace to start things off. That's going to be ace number 6. Yumang underhand pass. Gendrauli mula sa gitna. Got it. Short pass. Pesebre, gagawa ng paraan. Yumang pops it up.
Good up.
And another point. Gendrauli now with 20.
So alam mo na, di ba? Kapag nakikita mo na yung setup ni Yumang sa kanya is close to the net, makukuha ni Gendrauli yun. Makukuha ni net. Alam mo, mas confident ka to approach.
Yumang passes. Eto si Abil. Dug by Angeles. Tirawid ni Boras. Abil. Got it. Abil with 20 points already. Pesebre finds the opening and scores.
Yeah, she noticed na nasa harap si Abil at alam niyang iba-block siya ni Abil. But since single blocker lang si Abil, she was able to find you know, a way para maiwasan itong si Abby.
Jets. Short pass. Nice hit,
Nice.
Gendrauli.
Oo. Kita mo the way that she hit that ball, nag-letter C yung katawan niya eh. Kita mo to. Ayun o. Nag-C. So, tumaas yung paa, tapos yung ano niya, pag
Vergel passes. Eto si Pesebre. Manlapit on the attack. Pejek with an overhead toss. Gendrauli. Nice chase by Vergel.
Yeah.
Keep it alive and good effort para sa Justice Rivers as they get the point.
You know, si Vergel, talagang she's everywhere. Kahit saan yung bola hahabulin niya, she's going to keep that ball alive. And she was able.
Ang kalabangan ng Suffragettes. Boras. Got it.
Ganda ng bawi ng Justice.
5-point game.
Wow.
Gendrauli with 28 points.
Yeah, what a hit by Gendrauli. Inspired hit ang tawag dyan. Look at this. Ganda ng elevation niya.
Siyempre, tatawid ang bola. Wow. Walang bumibitiw for both teams. Finally,
That's
Gendrauli delivers.